Guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can create something like this. So the essence of this tutorial is just to show us how we can use shape cutouts on Canva. So the shape cutout is a what is an app added to what to Canva. So let me just show you how you can use that to create this amazing stuff we did here. We just use just a few clicks here. So the next thing is, let me just open a new page. Then this page should be a color white like this. Then go to your element, then you pick your shape. So just pick your shape, then pick your normal rectangle shape, then drag it like this, make it 90-degree, put it here, then drag, then make it at the center, make it at the center. All right, so after making it at the center now, so the next thing is to adjust it a little bit, make it at the center. All right, so the next thing is to duplicate this same thing by clicking this plus icon here. So once you duplicate it, take it outside, then come to your what, your style here, then increase the stroke weight, increase it, increase your stroke weight a little bit. All right, so after that, so remove the fill color, which is black, this color here, click on what transparency here to cancel the fill color. Then change your stroke to what, to white color. This is your stroke color, then change it to what, to white color. So click on white color. All right, so the next thing is that what, take it down a little bit, adjust this place as well, then put it here and drag this. So alright, the next thing to do is I will click on this black color here, then duplicate it also, then just come to shape here, then change it to a circle shape, change to circle shape. Then after changing to circle shape, kindly reduce it from the angle, use from the angle, that put it here, then make it go at the back, come to your position here, then click what to the back. All right, so then after doing this, I think the stroke is too big, so reduce it a little bit, come to your style here a little bit. All right, so this is okay. Then you write your text. So this is our text here. Go to your text, then you come here and write digital. All right, digital. Okay, I'm not seeing my text. Let me bring it out. All right, digital. Okay, all right, so let me change the color of my text, the shape of my text, the font to Anton, then take it off, then put the angle at 90-degree, then increase it. So then take this back a little bit, then adjust this. Okay. All right, now the next thing to do is our cutout. So you know this, how can we use our cutout? You come to this here, apps here, come to your apps, then you search for cutout here. So just search for cutout, then click on your shape cutout. Search for shape cutout, then click on this shape cutout here. Then after that, so you select. Okay, let me start over. Let me clear this. I've done this before. Let me start over. All right, so what to show you what export design. Click on export design. So just wait for it. Then you see asking for pages, just one page, the current page I am. So because of I'm using the next page, that's why it's showing me. Just click on what export. All right, so now the next thing to do, click on the areas that you want, all these black areas. This way you're clicking on, click on the black areas, the color black areas. I hope you get. So anywhere you see black, click on it. So click on the black areas. All right, so you click on the black area. So the next thing to do, just come to your what, cutout and add to design. Click on cutout and add to design. So after clicking on how to design now, so the next thing to just do is that what, make it fit inside this place. So this is what it cut out for you. Okay, so make it fit in here. All right, so it has fit in here. So the next thing is what, but let us bring our image. So you come to your gallery here, then you bring your image outside. So this is our image here. So click it on it, how to design. So then adjust it. So then adjust it like this. Then the next thing to do is what, send this to the back. Adjust this and send this to the back. Click here, click on it. Then come to your position here. Then what, to backward, click on backward. All right, so click on backward. No, just click on one backward. Then make it bigger. Then make it full it. So that's just it. I hope you love this video. So kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more Canva tricks like this.